There I have it, guys, all done. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a juice, a cucumber melon carrot juice. Okay, so here I have one large cucumber cut up with one large carrot. I have some frozen melon and I'm gonna use some pieces. I have ginger, a lime juice, 1 tablespoon, and quarter cup of sugar. It's optional, you can do it without the sugar. So let's get started. I have my blender and I have my pot and strainer and my jug for my juice. So I'm gonna get started, guys. Set up my blender. So I'm gonna add the cucumber and the carrot. Alright. I'm gonna add the ginger. Two pieces of melon. It's frozen, guys. So yes. I'm gonna add my lime juice. I'm gonna add my sugar. So I prefer to blend my drink with the sugar. Alright. Okay, you can add your sugar accordingly. Add 2 cups of water and blend. And after blending, you're going to strain it, and then there you have it. There you have it, guys, all done. Just add some ice and you're ready to go. Have it, guys, my cucumber melon carrot juice, garnish with some mint. There you have it, guys, all done. Refreshing to the last drop. Yes, guys, go ahead and try this juice. Love the juice, Sunday juice, good for the children, all natural. Go ahead and try it, guys. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and your family, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this juice. It's all natural, homemade. Go ahead and try it, guys. Remember to watch all my other videos. And guys, 1K, yay! I'm at 1K, yay! 1K video coming up shortly, so stay tuned. Okay guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys, bye.